Gary here in Sydney again with Buddy the Wonder Cat. Buddy would like to thank you for all of the support he's got for his Yoga and Pilates for Cats series, and today wants to take you a little bit further in the Upside Down series of poses for cat yoga. Buddy, let's do it. The first pose is the supported legs in the air pose, which Buddy enjoys. This of course is complicated by the licking of the leg, which Buddy does demonstrate in this particular pose. We then move to the extended leg lick and stretch, which Buddy also specialises in. Buddy will do this for you now. And this is the one-handed pose that Buddy also is very, very fond of. Please, as mentioned before, do not try this at home with your ordinary cat. It may lead to maceration and a great deal of blood. The next pose that Buddy wants to do for you is the return of the discipline pose, which Buddy specialises so much in, and he'll do this with a little close-up for you today. After a hard day's yoga, and there's nothing he likes more than a good beating. Isn't that true, Buddy? Buddy, of course, would like to greet you a little bit more personally during these exercise series. Buddy, say hello to your adoring fans, please. And for those who enjoyed the discipline series, Buddy will give you a demonstration of the discipline pose. Keep viewing for more of Buddy's series of Pilates for cats and yoga poses for Burmeses. Thanks, Buddy.